it's my first time doing or even buying an item from Fashion Nova. This is not a sponsored video or paid video. Nope. I use my hard-earned money that I work to buy these. So guys, let me unbox. See? Fashion Nova. See? Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova, guys. So, let's see what we got inside here. Why is my clothes always coming up like that? Alright. It's like a winter thing. Keep your neck warm or whatever. I'm tired. You could see that I'm done. I'm tired. All right, let's open the Fashion Nova. What is inside, guys? It's a shoe. Fashion Nova. Okay, it's sealed, so I gotta use my knife again. I gotta use a knife. It has a zipper at the side. It's like a winter shoes. It's gonna reach me maybe up to my leg because it's this thing is long and I'm like 5'2". So I'm gonna try it on and see. Even this. All right. So let's see. I wear size 7.5 or 6.5. So I never purchase the shoes online. Never. I always go in the store and buy it. It did. Seems like I have the left foot on. Yeah. I think I should have got a size 8 in this boot. Size 8 because my foot is already yeah. And we got another package here. It's another one from Fashion Nova. This is a winter top. Yep. Let's see if this could fit me. You like it, guys. Tell me if you like it. Tell me. See? Hey, hey. There it is, guys. Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. I like this one. I like it. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, press that thumbs up, comment. Don't be afraid to comment. You could comment. If you don't know how to comment, I could do a video showing you know, because most of my families and friends, they're like elderly people. So maybe I could do a video showing you guys how you could comment under my YouTube video. Or you could just click, there's an arrow showing down, you could click that button and it's gonna show you, it's gonna tell you where to comment. It's gonna say comment. It's at the end of the video. What's in my mouth? Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy. As you could see, I'm sleepy right now. I'm tired because I love you guys so much. That's why I do this video for you. I did this video for you. For you guys, I'm so exhausted and tired right now. Just don't know. See, I'm getting all red. See? I need to go take a nap before I explode. So guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one. It's like 10:55 right now. So guys, I'm gonna take my beauty rest. No, I don't snore. I sleep bad, but I don't snore. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Hey.